everyone, my name is Lily, and I want to tell you about my day at school. I'm 4 years old, and I love going to school because it's so much fun. First thing in the morning, Mommy helps me get ready. She helps me put on my favorite dress and brushes my hair. Then we eat breakfast together. I love cereal with milk and some yummy fruit. After breakfast, Mommy drives me to school. I sit in my special car seat and wave to all the other cars on the way. When we get to school, I say goodbye to Mommy and give her a big hug. Then I go inside with my teacher, Miss Sarah. At school, we do lots of fun things. We sing songs and play games with our friends. Sometimes we have story time, and Miss Sarah reads us the best stories with lots of pictures. I like to sit close to her so I can see the pictures really well. We also have playtime outside, where we can run and jump and play with balls and toys. I love playing with my friends, especially on the swings. We take turns pushing each other and laugh a lot. At lunchtime, we sit at tables with our friends and eat our yummy food. Sometimes we have sandwiches or pasta, and I always make sure to eat all my veggies so I can grow big and strong. After lunch, we have nap time. We lay down on soft mats with our cozy blankets and pillows. I like to close my eyes and think about all the fun things I did that day. When we wake up from nap time, we have more playtime and sometimes do fun art projects. I love painting and making colorful pictures too. Show Mommy and Daddy when they pick me up. Finally, when the day is over, Mommy comes to pick me up from school. I run to her and give her a big hug, telling her all about my day. Then we go home and have dinner together as a family. That's a day at school. I can't wait to go back tomorrow and do it all over again. School is the best. Bye-bye.